Unveiling the mystery, why snakes are dangerous. Subtle yet swift, the world of snakes is dense with danger, their stealthy nature hiding their deadly potential. Deceptively serene, snakes are expert hunters, using their keen senses to strike with deadly precision, making them dangerously unpredictable. Many snakes are venomous, injecting lethal toxins upon attack. This venom can cause paralysis, blood clotting, or even heart failure. Their anatomy is another factor. Snakes can dislocate their jaws to swallow prey much larger than their heads, a truly fearsome ability. Snakes can also strike at incredible speeds, leaving victims little chance to react, demonstrating their formidable predatory instincts. Additionally, snakes are skilled camouflagers. They blend with their environment, making them almost invisible and increasing the risk of accidental encounters. Lastly, snakes are survivors, adapting to various climates globally, making them a ubiquitous threat. Respect, not fear, is key when dealing with these creatures.